Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text to Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and then you need to select photo what you wanna edit. Okay, so let me select it. Let's say I wanna this one. You need to click Edit at the middle bottom, then scroll down and you need to find Markup. So it depends on the phone, because I have stock Android right here. On stock Android it's located, as you can see here. But if I, let's say, open Realme, and on Realme in Google Photos you need to just scroll down longer and you need to find Markup here. And the best part, that you cannot do this on the iPhone. So if you open Google Photos on your iPhone, then try to add the text, you click Edit, and as you can see right here we have no markup, so we cannot add the text on the iPhone. But on the iPhone you can go to the gallery and add the text in the gallery, and then you can upload it to the Google Photos. Okay, so after you click Markup, you need to select text. Then you can write something like hello. And now we have this text. You can change the name, you can go back, and then click at the check mark to save this text. Then you can save it as a copy if you want to have original photo, or normal save if you don't need original one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.